Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming permissions and choosing a concentrated area near trails or water where artifacts accumulate. Put on headphones, attach coil cover, and set sensitivity between 60 and 80%. Keep discrimination off so you don't miss signals. Walk slowly, swinging the coil level and overlapping each pass by 1/2. Once done with a 10-15-minute grid, mark any consistent signals with a flag, because repeated hits mean a stronger chance of metal. You now refine target location using a handheld pinpointer. Move it in slow circles until the beep centers and you get within 5 to 10 centimeters. Make a narrow vertical cut, then extract a plug to preserve layers, because context matters for dating finds. Scan the plug and hole sides with both detector and pinpointer to ensure the signal isn't from a nearby fragment. Once the object is exposed, remove it gently and replace the plug, tamping to conceal and restore the. You finish by identifying and stabilizing the find. Use a magnet to check ferrous content, photograph markings, and note corrosion patterns for later analysis. Clean lightly with a soft brush and distilled water. Do not use acids or harsh abrasives on unknown metals because you can destroy diagnostic features. If you encounter persistent false signals, make sure to swap coils, lower sensitivity in small increments, and reground balance. This usually eliminates chatter from mineralized soil or electromagnetic interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.